Hey, Ange.
Hi. Ready?
Okay, so hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Okay, so we're at Lord & Taylor's and we're here for 2020 Prom fashion show. We're gonna just take a nice little look at what the class of 2020 is going to be wearing from Lord & Taylor's. Stay tuned. Where's the show? Over here. You see it? Cuties.
What's up with the sweater you got on?
What's up with the sweater you got on? What's up with the Flintstone outfit you have on? Wilma Flintstone. Thank you so much.
Dress, accompanied by a show-stopping Givenchy set, completing the perfect winter wonderland theme. Wearing a beautiful white floral embroidered escape dress. Complementing her dress is a stunning set designed by Ralph Lauren, completing the perfect theme dress for a night out in Paris. As she flaunts this beautiful Anne Klein set, completing the perfect drip in a luxury theme. She's wearing a beige and lavender beaded jump apparel dress. Check out the pop of fun in her BCBG jewelry that's added. She's going to have a blast at the night at the carnival themed prom. She's wearing a pink sequin escape dress. Accompanying the gown is a beautiful Marchese set. We have her ready to step into her disco fever themed prom night. She's wearing a maroon beaded jump apparel dress featuring Lonnie and Lily earrings to complete her look for the Great Gatsby themed prom. Wearing a fuchsia silk escape dress, her noir earrings and BCBG bracelet pair perfectly with her dress for her themed prom in paradise.
She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this. She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh 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 eh. You want murder me, eh 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl.
With her blondie night's ball gown, she has paired our ruby red Givenchy earrings, completing her masquerade ball prom theme.
Mercy, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh eh
stunning mint beaded escape dress. This fit and flare dress ties in perfectly with the matching Crystal Da Vinci set, completing her fairy tale prom theme.
Something new, but all I can see is only you. I'm trying to hold you back.
Wearing a blue and rose gold sparkly escape dress, paired perfectly with this look is a Catherine Stein necklace and Kate Spade earrings. She's ready to dance the night away at her Under the Sea themed prom dress.
I believe in us, yes I do believe. I believe in us, I believe in us, yes I do believe.
Wearing an ombre sequin halter Betsy Adam dress. She has added Robert Lee Morris earrings to complete her Hollywood themed prom look. She's wearing a show-stopping navy beaded jump apparel fitted gown. Featuring in this look are Ralph Lauren earrings, a Da Vinci makeshift headpiece, creating the perfect Roaring 20s themed prom look. Wearing a black high-low floral embroidered escape dress. She has paired a pop of color with our noir earrings. She is ready to escape the night in her secret garden themed prom. Wearing a stunning Betsy and Adam Galaxy square neck ball gown. Her Vince Camuto earrings complete the perfect look for her Starry Night themed prom. She's wearing a navy and pink floral high-low escape dress. Her Robert Rose earrings add the perfect pop of color, and she's ready to go to her floral fantasy themed prom. She's wearing a jaw-dropping black and silver sequin blondie night strapless dress. Her noir earrings add the perfect touch for her red carpet ready prom. So put your hands together for our 2020 prom fashion show models, everybody.
Get me rowdy. Get me rowdy.
started in 1998.